Alright, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to design this flyer using your Pixellab. It's very simple, right? So without wasting much of our time, the first thing to do is to change your background color. Usually your background color might be this way. Yes, so the first thing to do is just to go here. Once you go here, these options will come out. Then you now click color. Once you click on color, select color, change the background color to white and click check mark. Once you click the check mark icon, the first thing to do is to import the resources you used in this design. So the first thing I'm going to be importing is this lady that is sitting on a couch pressing pad. So that's the first thing I'm going to import. So to import an image into your Pixellab, just click here. Once you click here, you click on import, then go to your folder and then look up for the image. Here is the image. So here is the image. You click check mark, this good icon, then you now stretch the image. Do not stretch your image from here or here. If you do that, it distorts the image. Like, you see the way it makes the image to be like. So you don't stretch it from there. If you want to stretch your image, you stretch it from here. You see this place that is on blue color when I'm stretching. So once you stretch it, you come and place it properly. Once you have placed it properly, the next thing to do is lock it. It's always advisable to lock your layer once you are working. To lock this particular image now that you have placed properly, you click on your layer panel. Here is your layer panel. Click on the layer panel and then these options will come out. Then here is the padlock. Click on it. Once it's on this light red, is locked, therefore it cannot be moved again. Next thing to do is to select your shape. We are going to be creating this you saw me created. I wrote design game loading and then added a write-up. It was using a shape. Then to bring in your shape, you just have to select here. Once you select here, these options will come out. Then click on shapes. Click shapes. To select other shapes, there are numerous other shapes. Once you click here, you see other shapes, but we are using these square shapes. So change the color. To change the color, just scroll this way. You will see fill color. You see where they wrote fill color, then scroll and you see this plus icon. Click on this plus icon. Click on it because we want to pick a color. To pick a color, select this eyedropper, this place I circled, click on it and then click on the image. We are going to be selecting the color of our skin, then click check mark and then click OK. Then next thing to do is scroll back this way, then change the radius to make the shape to be curved. Leave it at 15. Then you now bring it this way and click check mark. Then take this shape to our back. To take it to our back, just you will see option here, front to back. Click to back. Do you see the image has went to our back, just like the way you saw in this design, just like the way you saw in this design. So this shape now we're going to place it properly. Just place it properly and then lock it. Next thing to do is impute the text. This text, design game is now. To impute your text, go to alphabet. This place they wrote alphabet. Select it. Once you select the alphabet, click on text and then click edit. Then you now type in the first text the way I did. Design. The first thing I did was to type in the text. Then I now selected a font. To select a font, you click here and select a font and then go to my fonts, select B Vietnam bold. Select B Vietnam bold and click OK. If you wish to know how to download your own font, I have the tutorial already in my YouTube channel. You can check out there. I'll drop it down in the description box. Click on color and then select this color, design. So let's change the font to another font. Design. Let's use Oswald regular. Yes, click OK because let it match with the same one I used in the design. Do you see design? So design, then you copy and edit. To copy the text, I was fast, sorry. See the text now. When selected, you see the option copy. When you copy, click edit and then write design game, and increase this one a little. From here, if you want to increase the text from this side, once the text is selected, from here you increase it a little, then bring up this one under it, increase it a little, then you see design game. When you are designing, try to make everything to align very well. That's the goal. Design game, then lock it. Always remember to lock anything once you are done placing it properly. The next thing to do is to input the next text. So just click on your, once you are selected with alphabet, lock these items, then click on text, click edit, then clean up this and write is now and bring it here. Then change the color of your text by selecting color and change it to red, then click check mark. We are going to use the font. Click on fonts, click recent. Okay, let's go to my fonts. I'm going to be using the font called Signature. Here is the font I'm going to be using. I'll use this font. Okay, Orthography, that's the font I used. Then you increase it. You increase it. Bring in your, you increase it. Design game is now. Then click on your brush tool. Can reduce it a little. Okay. Once you are done, lock it. Lock everything. Then click here. Click here. Once you click here, select brush. Once you select brush, to change the color of the, because once you swipe on your screen, you see the brush color will be black. But to change the color, you have to click on this plus icon, this icon here. Click on it. You want to pick a color. To pick the color here, you click here. Once you click here, you click on the image. The color of the sofa lies, the color of the seat. We pick on it and then click OK. And then swipe it this way. You see the way I swiped it? That is how you would do it. So let me do it again. I can adjust the color because I want it to be a little light. Just follow every bit of what I'm doing and you get it right. Just swipe it on the screen this way. Yep. Then reduce it. So I want you to have this kind of, then you have gotten it. Design game is now. So once you are done, the next thing to do is to lock it too. Once you lock it, you bring in your shape. Click on shape, because we want to create this. I want to show you how I was able to create this loading, this thing that says loading. Do you see? It looks like as if it's loading. How I did it. So click on your shape, click on shape, then increase the radius to, let's say, 10. Then reduce this way and bring your shape this side. Reduce it and bring it this way. Bring it down this way. Bring it down. You see? This is the way you adjust it. Then click on your good. Once you are done, click on copy it. Then go to edit and click on edit. Then change the color of this one to this one on the inside. Then reduce it and make this next shape to be inside this one. Then reduce it this way and click OK. Then lock it. Then input the text here. The text at the top there says design game loading. So just go to your text, click on text and click edit, and then type design game loading. Don't forget to change your color so it can be seen. Change the color to white. Then we select a font. We're going to be using the font B Vietnam medium. Then keep it here. Then select a text. When you select a text, edit it and write and input this text. Unleash your creativity and dominate the design world. Game it, win it, and the rest of it. Then click OK. Then reduce the size of this text. Change the color to white. And then go to font. We are going to be using B Vietnam regular. Then click OK. Then reduce it. Place it here. Reduce it now. Then once you are done with that, the next thing to do is import this PS4. We are going to import it now. Remember how I told you, if you want to import any image, click here. Once you click here, you see your import. This option will come out, import. Click on import, then select what you want to import. Because it's this PSP that we need, you just have to crop it this way and take only it. Then click check mark. Then we'll bring it and place it on top of this table. So reduce it and place it on top of this table. So once you place it on top of this table, you click on your layer and lock it. Once you lock it, then click on your shape. Then reduce this shape and keep it here. Change the color of the shape to this. Then click check mark. Then impute your text. Impute this text. There is a text written here. It says game graphic design easily with just your smartphone. So just click on alphabet, click on text, bring it here. Change the color to white. And type in the text game graphic design easily just with your smartphone. So reduce it. Then change the font. Remember to always select a font. When you are designing, you are not expected to use more than 3 fonts in a design. In this design, I only used 3 fonts only. So you place this text. So this is the design. So here is the design, and here is the one I just taught you how I was able to create this design. So you see, it's very simple and easy. So once you are done designing and you wish to save your design into your phone, click on here, click here and click save as image. Change the quality to ultra and click save to gallery, and the design will automatically save into your phone. You can also save it as project, so in order to come back to it to edit it or make some changes by same clicking here. Once you click here, click save as project, you save it with any project name. Let's save it with Peter and click OK. It will say saved. When you click on here, this place now, once you click on here, you see option my project. You see the project we saved with Peter. Do you see it? So you click on it, you see that project, you can access it. So that is it. If you have any question, don't fail to drop it down in the comment section, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.